Okay, so you get the checklist. All you have to do is go through it step by step, and it will tell you exactly what products you need, what you have to do with the products, how to do the cleaning, how to do the steaming. Everything that you need to get rid of bed bugs is in that checklist. So we just sent it to you. So take a look at it, and it'll help you be successful. The whole reason why we even did these checklists is because on a daily basis, we get several people calling us that are just at their wits' end. They want to get rid of bed bugs, but they can't afford to pay $1,200 or $2,000 to get rid of them. And bed bugs are spreading like wildfire all across our country, and we're just trying to figure out a way to help. So this checklist does that for you. The other thing that we do offer and you need to check out is if you don't want to have to go track down all the chemicals and the tools required to get rid of the bed bugs, we do offer kits already put together. All you have to do is order a kit for what you need, get mattress covers that you need based on the size that they are. We send them all out to you. You follow the checklist. You watch the training videos. We walk you through step by step how to do every little piece of it. And if you're still having trouble, you can call me. You can call, you can ask for Jason. You can talk to any of the professionals on our staff, and we walk you through the whole process. So go down to the bottom of the page, check out these kits, get one ordered, and get those boogers gone. All right? Thank you.